Wood stick decor art is a versatile and creative form of artistic expression that transforms simple wooden sticks into stunning decorative pieces. This craft embraces both natural aesthetics and intricate designs, making it popular among DIY enthusiasts, interior designers, and professional artists alike. The appeal of wood stick decor art lies in its accessibility and sustainability. Wooden sticks can be sourced from various places, including nature, craft stores, and even recycled materials, making them an environmentally friendly option for home decor. The ability to manipulate wooden sticks into different shapes and patterns allows artists to create unique, customized pieces that can enhance the ambience of any space. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Cookie Decor. In today's video, we're diving into an amazing DIY project, wood stick decor ideas that will transform your space with creativity and style. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly home decor solution or a fun weekend craft, these ideas are perfect for adding a unique touch to any room. Stick around till the end for some pro tips, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY decor inspiration. Let's get started. Wood stick decor art is not only a creative outlet but also a way to add warmth and character to a living space. Wall art made from wooden sticks can serve as a focal point in a room, drawing attention with its texture and natural charm. Wooden stick sculptures can be placed on shelves, tables, or mantels to add an artistic touch. Even functional items like lamps, room dividers, and headboards can be crafted from wooden sticks, blending utility with aesthetic appeal. The use of natural wood tones complements a variety of color schemes, making it easy to integrate wood stick decor into existing home designs. One of the most compelling aspects of wood stick decor art is its adaptability to different design styles. Whether one prefers rustic, modern, bohemian, or minimalist aesthetics, wooden sticks can be used to achieve the desired look. For instance, rustic decor often features raw, unpolished sticks arranged in organic patterns, while modern decor utilizes clean-cut, geometrically arranged sticks to create contemporary designs. In bohemian spaces, wooden sticks are often adorned with colorful yarn, beads, or feathers, adding an eclectic touch. Minimalist decor, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity, using symmetrical arrangements and monochromatic colors to create a sophisticated appearance. Personalization is another exciting aspect of wood stick decor art. Unlike mass-produced decor items, handcrafted wooden stick pieces can be tailored to suit individual preferences. Artists can experiment with different wood types, finishes, and embellishments to create one-of-a-kind designs. Stains and paints can be used to enhance the natural beauty of the wood or to match a specific color scheme. Adding elements such as mirrors, metal accents, or glass pieces can further elevate the artistic value of a wood stick decor project. The ability to customize each piece ensures that the final product is not just decor, but a reflection of personal style and creativity. Wood stick decor art also serves as a meaningful and therapeutic activity. The process of designing, arranging, and assembling wooden sticks requires patience and attention to detail, which can be a relaxing and rewarding experience. Many people find that engaging in wood stick decor art helps reduce stress and enhances focus. The satisfaction of creating something beautiful with one's own hands fosters a sense of accomplishment and pride. Additionally, working with natural materials connects individuals to nature, providing a sense of grounding and tranquility. The applications of wood stick decor art are vast, extending beyond home decor into commercial and event settings. Restaurants, cafes, and boutique stores often incorporate wooden stick art into their interior designs to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Wedding planners and event designers use wooden stick arrangements for centerpieces, backdrops, and venue decorations, adding a rustic or elegant touch to celebrations. Seasonal and holiday decorations also benefit from wooden stick art, as handcrafted ornaments, wreaths, and festive displays can be made using simple wooden materials. The versatility of this craft ensures that it remains relevant across various settings and occasions. Educational benefits are another important aspect of wood stick decor art. Schools and community centers often use wooden stick projects as part of art and craft programs for children and adults. Working with wooden sticks enhances fine motor skills, encourages spatial awareness, and fosters creativity. It also teaches problem-solving skills, as individuals must figure out how to assemble pieces in a structurally sound and aesthetically pleasing manner. The affordability of wooden sticks makes them an excellent material for large-scale educational projects, allowing students and participants to explore artistic expression without significant cost. The cultural significance of wood stick decor art cannot be overlooked. Various cultures around the world have long used wooden elements in their artistic and architectural traditions. Indigenous communities, for example, have created intricate wooden stick patterns for centuries, using them in ceremonial objects, storytelling, and everyday tools. Scandinavian design often incorporates wooden stick elements to achieve a sleek, functional aesthetic. In Japan, traditional kumiko woodworking involves assembling small wooden sticks into delicate lattice patterns, showcasing the artistry and craftsmanship of this time-honored practice. These cultural influences continue to inspire contemporary wood stick decor artists, blending traditional techniques with modern design concepts. For those interested in starting their journey into wood stick decor art, there are countless ways to begin. Gathering materials is the first step, and individuals can source wooden sticks from nature, craft stores, or repurposed items. Choosing the right tools is also crucial, with basic supplies including glue, a saw, sandpaper, and paint or stain. Sketching a design beforehand can help visualize the final piece and plan the assembly process. Beginners should start with simple projects before gradually exploring more complex techniques. Experimenting with different textures, colors, and arrangements will help develop a personal style and enhance creativity. The market for wood stick decor art continues to grow, with many artists turning their passion into a business. Handmade wooden decor items are highly sought after in online marketplaces, artisan fairs, and home decor stores. The uniqueness and craftsmanship of these pieces appeal to consumers looking for authentic and handcrafted decor. Custom commissions for personalized wood stick art are also in demand, allowing artists to create bespoke designs tailored to specific client preferences. The rise of sustainable and eco-conscious consumerism further boosts the popularity of wood stick decor, as more people seek environmentally friendly alternatives to mass-produced decorations. And that's it for today's DIY wood stick decor ideas. I hope you found some inspiration to get creative and transform your space with these simple yet beautiful designs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Cookie Decor for more amazing home decor ideas. Let me know in the comments which project was your favorite or if you have any ideas you'd like me to try next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.